Many police officers will never have to fire their service weapons.
But increased scrutiny over the use of force finds Maryland State Police using some high-tech training to de-escalate confrontations. WMAR2 News' Jeff Hager gives us a look at this new technology.
Whether it's an otherwise routine traffic stop or facing off with an armed suspect, recruits here are placed in virtual scenarios so they can make better decisions out in the real world.
It's in reference to an intoxicated individual.
A Maryland State trooper receives a call for help.
He's apparently outside the bar.
And the recruit is only armed with a backpack, a headset, and a replica weapon.
Apparently, they won't let me back in the bar. Look, I gotta pay my tab inside, and they won't let me back in.
We'll talk to the bar, we'll see what we can do for that. But in the meantime, let's get you a ride home, okay?
No, this isn't a shooting simulation. It's about making good decisions. The Maryland State Police are believed to be the first agency in the region to use the Apex Virtual Police Simulator, where an instructor in one room can interact with a trooper outfitted with high-tech equipment in another to create almost a limitless number of scenarios with the goal of heading off violent confrontations before they ever happen.
Sometimes in these situations, there's no force at all used. You're using good verbal de-escalation and the scenario ends, and that's what we want. And then sometimes where the instructor may have somebody pull a knife, have somebody pull a gun, he controls if they're going to listen to and drop that knife or listen and drop that gun, or there may be where force may need to be used by the trooper that's in that scenario.
At a time when some are calling for a defunding of police, the agency used $110,000 in state money to purchase this system, which can be transported from one barrack to another across the state.
A huge advantage for the Maryland State Police with us being stretched from Garrett County and Deep Creek Lake to Ocean City. The problem with a screen-based technology is everybody would have to drive to a central location to use it.
No, this isn't about shooting subjects when law enforcers no longer have a choice.
You said you're going to give me a ride.
Ripley, not with the knife in your hand, Mr. Ripley. I need you to drop the knife.
It's about diffusing the situation before they have to pull the trigger.
Drop the knife and I'll give you a ride. You drop the knife for me? I know, Mr. Ripley. Thank you, sir. Now, sir, step away from the knife. Step away from the knife.
Thus far, the virtual reality training has been limited to recruits, but the plan is to extend it to veteran troopers later this year. Reporting in Sykesville, Jeff Hager, WMAR 2 News.